Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I'm back again on a non-regular video day. That's because I've got some very special cards to show you. So in our team we like to try and do collective craft stuff. So we do have a team event coming up at the end of April. So if you want to join us in Birmingham for a weekend of fun and crafts and all sorts of everything, you've got to join my team. But we also sometimes do online postal swaps. And so at any event, you take a whole load of projects and you swap your identical projects away and you get different ones back. But we try and do them online as well, particularly because we're only beginning to start getting together in person. And we did one recently. A big thank you to Sam Thorpe, who is Curious Moose Crafts, and Karen McDonald, who is Corrie Papercraft. They coordinated ours this time for our team, and we got into groups of 7 different demonstrators on our team, and you make 6 projects. So you swap 6 away and you get 6 back. And I wanted to show you the ones that I got. So I did post a couple of weeks ago the one I sent out, which had ladybirds on it, but I wanted to show you the 6 that I had back. So first one, and this, who is this one from? So this one is from Sally Stampers, so Sally Shaw, and it's a flip, I think this is called a flip-flop card. Oh, my Amazon Echo's just gone heads or tails to me. Yeah, I think it's called a flip-flop card, and it's meant to go like that. Don't quote me on it, but I think that's what it's called. But that's lovely. So this one is using flowering tulips, tulip fields, and windmill dies, classic matte dots as well. That's there. Yeah, really very pretty, and a lot of work got in to get all those different layers, all those individual die cuts. So that's lovely. I don't have this set. Maybe I need to. So that was Sally, and then this one had the matching envelope. So this one was from Karen McDonald. So that is very glittery and very shiny. Actually, Karen wasn't in my swap group, I don't think. She did an extra one for me, which was very sweet. Very nice. So this is the Raindrops Flowering Fields DSP, oh, Flowering Rain Boots. See, I'm a bit rubbish. I forget to remember to put my recipe in because, you know. Anyway, and then my next one is from Deb Toner. So she is Debsy Daisy. And look at that, she's done me a little blue rainbow. That's really pretty. I did different coloured rainbows the other week, but I'd already got her swap in, but I hadn't opened it. So that's the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set. Really very pretty. And then I've got another one here. This is Heather Forgan. So she's stamped with Nellie. And we have got, you see, I haven't even opened this. Artfully Composed Design Series paper, fancy tag topper punch, tropical leaves. Here we go, the tropical leaves. And then I don't know what's in here. So it's a little pouch. So Heather is up in Scotland. And what have we got in here? Oh, hot chocolate. Hot chocolate, instant hot chocolate. I'm a fusspot. I don't like chocolate flavoured things. My poor husband found that out recently because he forgot and bought me a chocolate birthday cake. But I do like hot chocolate if it's pure hot chocolate, or good hot chocolate, which that one is one. So thank you, Heather. And then I've got another one here. So this is Jane. So Jane is in, I want to say Mid Wales rather than South Wales. And she is Craft with Jane on YouTube. And we have got little seeds in here. Oh, I can grow chives. Technically, Chris will grow the chives because I'm a bit rubbish. I don't have green fingers at all. So he can grow some chives for me. But that's really clever. Oh, I like that little pouch there. And this one is using Artfully Layered stamp set and dies and the faux glass shapes. Oh, there's one there. That's very sweet. I don't know if you can see that. That's one of those little faux sea glass shapes just there. Got a decent amount of texture to them as well. But that's really lovely. Love that one. And then my last one is Vanessa Furman, who is over in Germany, and she's used the Flowering Rain Boots, but I like the the blender brush technique behind. That's behind there. That's really clever. How lovely. But yeah, do like that. Really lovely. Love them. So those are my swaps that I received in from my group. So a big thank you to everybody. So I hope you like them. There's some inspiration. So go and find each of them, each of the ladies, and you will see how to make their cards. So Debsy Daisy, Craft with, no, let me try that one again. Who did I just say that was from? Vanessa. Oh, so Vanessa is on Instagram. Jane, Craft with Jane, Stamp with Nellie is Heather, Sally Stampers, and Corrie Papercraft. There you go. So go and check all of them out. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.